Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you're ready for an awesome day. It's Tuesday. We have some work to get done today. We are going to read the next chapter in Woods Runner. So remember, you can listen to it here. You can read it on your own too, either way. Do not forget to take chapter notes. This is the way that I know that you're actually reading. So go through, make sure you have chapter notes from 1 through 9 completely done by the end of the day today. That is one thing that I will be checking for you to be in our drawing for our Dairy Queen gift card for next week. So make sure your chapter notes are done. If you need help with that, let me know. Don't forget to work on your how-to presentation. Hopefully your paper is done and turned in. If you need help with that, let me know. How-to presentation. We're going to try to get done by the end of the day tomorrow. That way we can look at it with our peers on Thursday. So try to get it turned in. If you need some help, let me know. I know we've had some different ways of going about turning that in. So if you're struggling, let me know. There's lots of different options. We are going to do a page in grammar today. Page 564, it's in your My View book. You can do it in the book if you want and upload it here, or you can go to Pearson Realize and do it straight on Pearson Realize. If you do it on Realize, you do not have to do it in the book, one or the other. Don't forget about your journal. And then our Hangouts today, we are going to practice our grammar skill. So hop online, we're going to play a game for that. And then we're going to talk about our novel study. We're going to talk about Woods Runner, summarize, and predict. So be ready to hop on and talk about that. Your joke for today: why did the cookie go to the hospital? We'll see you in Hangouts. Bye.